Hi guys, today I'm showing you this Zealot Bluetooth speaker, and as you can see this is really like small portable speaker. This is IP67 waterproof speaker, and the good thing is that if you have two units you can they can connect with each other to give you a stereo sound. That's really cool, but I'm showing you the one unit features here. And this comes with a USB-C charging cable, a USB cable that you can use for charging this speaker, a manual, and I will suggest you to read it once because the long press and the short press of these menu items will actually give you different options. The speaker is like really good quality, portable, handy, and you can see a different ports in it like a USB port, TF card, USB-C, and a aux cable to connect with your MP3 player or any other thing. You can use different devices to use for the music. This also have a radio feature, you know a light feature, and I would say like headphones and mic features from your mobile phone. So this is pretty cool that you can use this in multiple unit. This is a hand strap that comes with it that you can easily attach it, and just to hold and keep it. The good and really nice feature which I like about this speaker is easy Bluetooth connection, and as well as like this have a light function with music that I will show you later on. So it's pretty straightforward connection, and I'm trying to play some music so that you can feel the quality of the speaker. There is no background music. This is actually the music from the speaker. So now you can see it's like a TF card. So these are all the features as I mentioned, so you can connect it in this way. I tested everything but not in the video, but I just started it. I don't have the stereo connect features tested because I don't have the two units thing with me, but I have this music so you can listen. It is a copyright free music, so you can actually feel the quality of the speaker. So I will not speak much and you can feel it, just to let you know that the lights will go with the music, so you can see that. So just to add with the menu item like short and long press, so plus minus you have to long press for volume increase, but short press will get you to the next track. So that's how you have to manage, and M is for the mode, so different mode for this, and a long short press will also give you that light in between, so different light modes will come from that button. So this one is for the light, as I mentioned, different modes of lights. I like these lights a lot. The sound is really nice. It's like a 3D surround sound. And I mentioned all the connections that you can use. And feel free to contact us for any other question.